This week, we decided to post many tips on how you can improve your house using natural products to reduce your exposure to chemical products and be healthier. Cool, right? So in today's video, we will teach you how to make a homemade and very cheap fabric softener. Who doesn't love clean, soft, and fragrant clothes, right? Since this softener is natural, it can be used in all the clothes at your house, even baby clothes. Write down the ingredients: 17 ounces coarse salt, 6 tablespoons baking soda, 30 drops of your favorite essential oil, optional. To make your fabric softener, put all the ingredients in a plastic bowl and mix it with a spoon or with your hands. After that, store the mixture in a container with a screwable lid or a fabric softener bottle. This way, your homemade softener will last for 45 days at least. When you wash your clothes, add 3 tablespoons of the softener directly in the water. Did you like it? Easy and cheap, isn't it? Besides not being harmful to our health, it is also an eco-friendly alternative, and it can have your favorite smell. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.